Got my wheels on my tires on my wheels. My wheels on my tires. Let's get these bad boys mounted. What's up, my fellow Subaru enthusiasts? Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on the car really quick. I finally received a couple packages I ordered from subimods a while back, and I'm very happy and pleased to show you guys what I finally got. And then also last night I installed this boost gauge from AEM. I installed it. It's kind of simple. I mean, it's a simple install. Kind of like I'm gonna order this gauge pod right here. Should be in a couple weeks. And take off these ghetto rigged ones, but either way, it works, serves a purpose. Yeah, lately this one hasn't given me any more problems. I bought that sensor, downpipe sensor from an auto part store here, and it hasn't gone bad at all. The one that they sent that they supplied with it went bad in like a couple hours, so this one's been holding up pretty good. Just a quick question about this gauge right here. So if anybody knows if this is supposed to be as accurate, as close to the access port one, or is it just going to be a little bit less on the PSI because they don't match when I wide open throttle. So I don't know, just like a couple PSIs down. So this one probably reads, if this one reads 16, this one's reading 14, or if this one reads 13, this one's reading 10. So I don't know, but yeah, if you guys can answer that for me and let me know, I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, so let me just show you what I finally got from subimods that I wasn't expecting, because they told me it was gonna be like 120-day ETA. So I'm so happy they finally came in, and yeah, it's gonna change the car really nice. So let's open one up really quick. So let me show you guys. Alright guys, here's some packaging from Wrx. Damn, what the hell? Whoa. Alright. One more. Damn. Whoa, there they are. Oh shit. Some black Wrx Gramlights. Beautiful wheel. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I finally got them. I know everybody loves these wheels and everybody has them, but I do too, so fuck all them haters. But yeah, so just need to get some tires and I'll throw these suckers on. I think I'm gonna test fit it just to see how it looks on the car, but yeah, so stay tuned. Let me put it on, check them out. But yeah, they're super light. God damn. Oh, those are nice. Woo-wee. Alright, let me test fit and see how they look. Alright, there she is. Looks really good. Just test fitting it right now, see how it looks. I have these spacers right here, 20mm Subi Speed ones. I might have to take them off though, because once I put the tire on and everything, I don't know, maybe because it's a little tilt, but I feel like that little edge right there is gonna stick out too much. It's gonna rub the fender. It's lower than what it was stock, so I don't know, we'll see. Once I get the wheel tires on, we'll see how they come out with the spacers, and if I don't like with the spacers, I'll take them off. 18-inch wheels, so I don't know. Tell me what you guys think of these damn wheels. I love them. That Spice Folk design is best for cleaning and for looks, but mostly for cleaning, because goddamn, these mother goddamn wheels get dirty and freaking a bitch to clean every single damn corner. But yeah, I'll have more updates once I get the wheels. For me, it's probably gonna be, I don't know, since I'm my working schedule and stuff, might be a little longer than a week, or maybe, I don't know. But for you guys, it'll probably be a couple seconds. So yeah, so I'll be right back once I'm done with the tires and show you guys how it looks. Latest. Alright guys, there it is. The wheels are mounted on the car with the tires already on. Looks really good. I love the look, and I don't know, I'm really satisfied. I'm so happy that I finally got some wheels on this damn car. I've been rocking the stock ones for too long, so now the car is complete. For the meantime, there's one thing I do want to do next, and hopefully soon I can do that, because I grow tired of this look. So once it's done, once I get it, I'll show you guys what I got. But overall, I'm very satisfied with the car. Ooh, someone freaking dirted my car right here. What the hell is that? Oh wow, car does need a little cleaning. It's dirty right now. I haven't washed it in a week, and I've been driving it around, so it looks really good. I mean, I did lift the car a little bit higher because right here the tire was rubbing right here on the fender every time I would turn. These tires are a little thicker. They're 235s 40s, so the sidewalls are a little bigger than the 35s that I had on the other wheels. Overall, I think it looks good. So you can see a little tuck. It's kind of tucked in right here, but overall it looks good. I do want to space them out a little bit. I don't know, they look good, but I feel like 15s or 10mm spacers would really pop out the tire a little more, but then I would have to lift it again because this tire would be rubbing on the fender. I don't know. We'll see. Because I have the 20mm, and those spacers made the car stick out. The wheels stick out a little too much. So, I'll just leave it as it is right now. The car looks good. I mean, overall, I'm really satisfied. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment if you have any questions or would like to know of certain parts that I have on the car. I mean, overall, I don't know if I should do a mod list. Let me know, and I'll tell you guys everything I have on the car, done to it already. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and I did get a new shift knob, a racing shift knob. It's smaller, has no weight to it. It's light, but I love the feel of it. It feels stiff. But yeah, I will be getting a new gauge cluster thing to hold my gauges in. This is the ghetto rigged one. Put some holes and put it on the down pillar. But yeah, looks good though. I mean, overall, it's all satisfied. I'm satisfied. I do need to rewrap my hood, my roof, because this one's been on here for 3 years probably. I hope it doesn't mess up the paint being on there for that long, but I do need to rewrap it because it is fading away. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. I don't want to talk too much. I already talked a little too much, but yeah. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.